Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have another Persian dish and this is going to be another kebab. It's a Beldercheen kebab, Quail Kebab. And this is a little bird that everywhere, as I know, they use that. In Iran they making it kebab, but most of the other country like Lebanon, Chinese, they saute that or cook it or different way. But anyway, let's go over the ingredients and start making it. What I have here is a 6 quail that has been cleaned, but I have to also cut it, so doing it later. What for marination, we need about 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika. Need a couple, just like a 4 or 5 tablespoon of liquid saffron. Same thing for the either lime or lemon juice, some cooking oil. Let's start making these spices together and make the sauce or marination, and then we cut the quail, mix them together. So we have to use this for about at least 5 to 6 hours in a fridge. Then we just put it in a skewer and kebab this. Let's do it. Okay, to make the sauce or marination stuff, just a little bit mustard. We use our yogurt. And we put our juice first to make that liquid. So mix them together. Now the rest of the dry spices. All right. Okay. Mix this together very well. All right, this is good right now. All right, so we put this aside. Now we cut, I use the saffron and oil at the end after I cutting this. Okay, for just, it's already cleaned, but some of the parts, you don't need it. And we cut those parts like here or in end of the wings. Okay, now try to make it in a half, either with just a knife, go like this, okay, and clean some of the part inside. Or you can use your cooking scissor and go like this. It's very fragile and it's easy to do. Again, we cut the parts that we don't need it. All right, let me finish with the rest and we'll be back. All right, first I put the saffron. If you like it, if you don't have it or you don't want it, you don't have to. First, mix them with the saffron. Okay. Make sure it's all over. All right. Then we are going to mix them with the marination sauce that I already made that. I remember I just put if you see the skin is on, the reason is mostly when I make, any kind of bird, I take the skin off, but these are so small at the same time is very dry that it helps, to keep the meat a little bit moisture, and it's much better, and it's very, little is not that much of the skin, so I leave it like that. But it's up to you. If you want to take the skin off, you can do that. Make sure the marination is going to be all over, all of them has it, and mix them very well. So as I said, after that you put it in your fridge for at least 5 hours. So it's between, if you are in a hurry, you can do it like 2 hours, but not less than that. And just a little bit there, and then bring it out and put a skewer on it. Here you go. That's good enough. So leave it like this. Let me wash my hand, and actually I could put the lids on it and put the fridge. I see you after 5 or 6 hours. Actually, I forgot one thing, and that's oil, cooking oil. You can use olive oil or just any kind of cooking oil. So just that's the last one that it goes. So mix them again with all the oil, and after that you put it in the fridge. It was about, I missed that. Put it here for 5-6 hours and forget about it. See you in 5 or 6 hours from now. See. Hello again. It's been about 24 hours actually. I didn't have time to make it. So just to come back today, the next day. So we are going to just skewer this. This is the skewer that I'm choosing. It's not very small, narrow, or not very big, which we use for the kebab kubide, but this is the perfect size. So we just go ahead, just have to use 2 of these maybe, and the reason is because I can't do it with one. It's going to be hang loose. I'm going to show you what do I mean by that. Okay, and go through the wing and coming again out of the breast like this. If you look at it, so therefore it needs another skewer. We just go from the leg to the thigh all the way to the next one. All right, so this way is very stable and it's going to cook very well. All right, do the same thing again with another one. If we go the same process, here we go. Here we go. All right, probably gonna do another one. Okay, ready. Okay, let's do the next 3, and we just after we finish it, we're going for barbecue. Let's go and grill this. You can make a butter sauce also, just a butter, and you just do it 1 or 2 at a time. After just to get a little bit, a char on it. Use the butter, brush it on, so it's going to be perfect. You are the judge when it's done. By looking at it, if you think, you probably have an experience of cooking some chicken or steak. So, when you see it's done, it's done. I'm pretty sure. To me, this is perfect right now. So there's no need to stay any longer. Let's go and eat it. Here's our Quail Kebab. That's a final touch. And it's look great, amazing. The taste is going to be good. You can have it with the salad. You can have it with the rice. You can eat it just by itself. Some of the condiment around it, vegetable, cucumber, pickled cucumber, or anything that you like. So I enjoy to making this, and I'm going to enjoy to eating it. And I hope you enjoy my video. Please share, subscribe, and just give me any idea that you like to remake it. And till next time, again, I love you all. In case if I don't see you till next year, Happy New Year and Happy Holidays to all of you. Bye.